Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam and you are welcome to mariejumkitchen. If you are new here on my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time we upload a new video. So in today's class, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Zobo drink. Zobo is a very healthy drink with potent nutrients. It actually offers a great benefit to human health. So if this is what you would like to learn, kindly stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. So guys, this is the finished result of our Zobo drink. You can see how thick this is looking. So to add a little more sweetener, I'm going to add in sugar for it to be more tasty. This is quite optional depending on how you like it. If you are hypertensive, I will advise you not to add in any other sugar. So if you enjoyed this tutorial with me, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.